magic recipe for fastest hair growth naturally, all are surprised by the results. Men, and sometimes women, notice that their hair is thinning prematurely for several different reasons. Age, menopause, pregnancy, genetics, illness, and other factors all play a role in hair loss. Sure, you can use drugs like Rogaine, or you can go in for a hair transplant or fusion, but sometimes the easiest, most inexpensive solution is to try to stop hair loss naturally. According to hair experts, losing 50-100 strands of hair every day is fairly normal. It is only a cause of concern when you lose more than that. There are many methods to make our hair grow faster, shine, and glitter in natural ways without using chemicals. We have come across the best and safest 3-ingredient recipe to treat hair loss and baldness, which you can prepare at home. Here's what you need. Castor oil, 2 tablespoons. Egg yolk from 1 egg. Honey, 1 tablespoon. Directions: mix all these ingredients together in a bowl. Stir well to ensure that they are mixed properly. Apply the mixture on the hair roots and the length of the hair. Put on a shower cap and wait for 2 hours. Wash the hair with shampoo/conditioner. Use it at least once a week in a period of 2 months. Hair regrowth remedy benefits. Honey. Honey is itself a powerful antioxidant that also has great fungicidal and germicidal properties. When combined with its natural wax, all these properties make honey the perfect hair conditioner that prevents hair loss. Castor oil. This oil has been used for thousands of years for treating hair loss. It has strong antifungal and antibacterial features. It helps eliminate dandruff, infections of the scalp and folliculitis. The ricinoleic acid present in castor oil helps in improving blood flow to the hair roots, scalp, and promotes hair growth. Studies show that it has the potential to improve hair growth by as much as 5 times. Egg yolk. The amino acids and proteins in the egg yolk are great nutrients for the hair. Besides, it contains several other nutrients required for faster and healthier hair growth. The biotin found in yolk helps in renewing the hair follicles and roots. All these 3 ingredients make the perfect combination for healthier and fast-growing hair with stunning results. Your hair will regrow in the shortest possible time, and you will again be a proud owner of long and beautiful hair. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.